Are your garage door springs ready to fail, locking your car into the garage and trapping you at home? Imagine if that happened during an emergency when you need to leave your home quickly. To test your springs, pull the string. Here's how to do it. With the door in the down position, pull the string to the manual setting. If you can, lift the door all the way up. The door should be light enough to stay where you lift it. The door should stay up on its own. That way you know you can pull your car out of the garage in case of an emergency. If the door won't do any of the above steps, it is out of balance and needs to be serviced as soon as possible. Meanwhile, you can return the door back to the opener mode. With the door down, pull the string lightly. Lift the door a little until you hear it click into trolley. If that didn't work, press the button and let the opener click it in. But don't delay, get professional help before bigger trouble begins. Call us at Affordable Garage Door and Opener Repair. We're always available with fast, affordable service.